Many users now complain that their device is stuck on the Apple logo screen. If you're familiar with this issue and need a solution, this video is for you. Today, I'll guide you through why this happens and how to fix it completely. Let's get started. Why is iPad stuck on the Apple logo? When you turn on your iPad, a deep scan is performed to initialize the software and confirm all hardware is working properly. During this process, the Apple logo appears in the center of your screen. If the scan completes successfully, your iPad will boot up normally. However, if it fails, your iPad will get stuck on the Apple logo screen, meaning you can't access the device at all. Here are some possible reasons. 1. Software errors. 2. Corrupted apps or files. 3. Full storage. 4. Damaged battery or logic board. 5. Jailbreaking. Now that you know why your iPad may get stuck on the Apple logo screen, let's move on to how to fix the issue. Method 1. Force restart your iPad. You can force restart your device to refresh it and fix the Apple logo stuck issue. Note that the force restart steps vary by model. Here, we take the iPad. First, quickly press and release the volume up button, then quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. If the force restart doesn't work and your device is still stuck on the Apple logo, try the second solution, AnyFix. This tool can repair your device quickly without data loss. Method 2. Fix it with system repair software. Here's an efficient tool we recommend, AnyFix. It can fix your iPhone/iPad stuck on the Apple logo with just a few clicks. It not only improves your success rate but also causes no data loss. In addition, it can fix over 150 iOS system issues, such as a disabled screen, boot loop, and more. Let's get started. Step 1. Download and launch AnyFix. Step 2. Connect your device to the computer via a USB cable. In the main interface, select System Repair. Step 3. Choose Screen Stuck and click Start Now to continue. You'll see 3 repair modes. To fix the stuck issue without data loss, select Standard Repair. Step 4. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your device into recovery mode. Then download the firmware and repair the system. It will take a few minutes to finish. Step 5. Finally, AnyFix will show you the repair completed screen. Your device will return to normal with no data loss. We hope you can resolve the issue by following the methods in this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.